in because it wasn't loud enough, wasn't raspy enough. So this again a 2019 Challenger, and then we did a mid muffler or mid resonator delete and left the MagnaFlow Magnapacks on it out the back, right there and right there, and it comes with a factory X pipe. And there's the two resonators or mid mufflers we took off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. See what you guys think this time. Thank you. I like that. What do you think?
Let me drive it.
You can stand over there, boss.
Okay.
Back it up. Now that has only MagnaFlow Magnapacks with no resonators or mid mufflers. Beautiful lime green. He's a personal trainer. Here, neat.
Okay, hold on, I can read it for you.
And that's how it's done.